over, but
Once again. Yes, please. And we'll have still events related to the Congress. I know that you have a very busy schedule, and I'm very happy that we have this opportunity to check compare our notes, as we say. And we look forward to expand our cooperation.
Mr. Brown, it was all violence. Excellency, all topics are going well, I think, throughout last few discussions and discussions. I had the pleasure of an individual meeting in Kuwait with His Excellency. And I'm sure you were fully briefed on what happened at the proceedings. The Emir himself came with a statement on behalf of Kuwait. We organized an award-giving ceremony because he was named by the United Nations. And we, I don't know the exact name, but the only hiccup was, Excellency, on Turkish Cyprus. I don't know whether you raised whether it should be called state of